All right, y'all. We have 4 packs of Surging Sparks that we are going to open that we got out of a vending machine. It's like one of those card fanatic vending machines with semi overpriced cards, but everyone is kind of overpriced right now. So, Surgeon Sparks hasn't really treated us well, but we are hopeful that we are going to pull out the chase card, which is what, Darius?
Pikachu.
This Pikachu right here is what we're looking for. So out of these 4 cards, Darius, which one do you think is going to have the best pull? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Maybe 2.
2?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going for the Executor. I'm going to go 3, okay? So y'all remember that I chose this pack, okay? All right, so we are going to start opening. Let's go in order. Let's start with number 1 first. Go ahead, Darius. Let's see what we get. I'm so excited. Oh, we get something Surgeon treat us well. All right, the first card from the back that we pull is always the energy. Okay, we have Steel Energy, Cast Form, Mesprit, Scatterbug with the tooth, Buffalant, Wuching, Saraluge, Chill Teaser Toy. That looks like a cat toy. Capsakid, Counter Gain, and Gouging Fire. Okay, that was the first pack. Let's go to the second pack, which is the other Pikachu. So let's go ahead. This is the one Darius said will have the best hits. Go ahead, Darius. I believe in you, Surgeon Sparks. Let's see. Alrighty. We got a Water Energy, Acute Helioptile, Capsakid, Sigalith, Duraludin, Annihilape, Jasmine's Gaze, Xerneas, Scramble Switch. Ooh. Oh, Clobbopus and Rapska. Look at that nice Clobbopus. And then, of course, we love our trainer cards. Okay, so Darius actually might have this one in the bag. We got 2 more packs.
Stop the video.
All right, so the third pack. This is my pack, so let's see. I don't think I'm going to beat that pack that Darius pulled out.
Okay.
All right. Let's see what the energy card is.
And it is
Fire. Awesome. Fire. Sizzlepede. Bronzor. Applin with the smile. Duraludin. Tauros. Technical Machine Fluorite. Ninetales. Cuffagrigus. Oh, cute Diglett. Alolan Diglett.
And Internatus.
Okay. So, mine didn't do well. Darius won that one with that awesome Clobbopus. All right. So, let's go to the last pack. All right.
Okay.
All right. So we have Basic Energy, Grass, Acute Meryl, Drillbur,
in case you play Pokopia,
Quaxley, Zangoose, Graffi, Passimian, interesting, Colbur Berry.
Looks a lot like Corsola a little bit.
Another Quaxley. Terra Orb.
And
Skelderidge. Okay, so this is the awesome pulls from the Surgeon Sparks. Thank you guys for looking at all of our packs that we opened today. Please like, comment, and subscribe and support the new channel. Bye.